Today we're going to make for you the recipe that our junior chef Daria recommended. And it's chicken cordon bleu with Edam cheese sandwich. Okay, first we have to start with our chicken. The chicken breast I marinated before, like with some olive oil and salt and pepper. Just put it here. And we try to pound it a little bit. That's easier to cook when you do that. Daria, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. I think it's enough, huh? Then, for this recipe, we need to whisk the egg. And I know that Daria loves to do that. Daria, do it, please. The whole egg. Yeah. Okay. We need to put some salt, fresh pepper. We prepare the other stuff. We have the flour here and the breadcrumb. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Please start.
This one?
Yes. Nice and easy. Put it first.
It's so jiggly.
Yeah. Yes. Then put it into the egg. Yes. Now slowly to the breadcrumb. And now the other one. Okay, the next step is we have to take the chicken, the other sides, and fry them. Okay, we turn on gas. We add some oil. We put the chicken breast inside and fry it.
Fabulous. All things that.
Now we need some.
What am I supposed to do?
Daria.
Promise you.
Daria, you still singing?
Yeah.
Daria, would you please give me some tissues? Okay, now we have to cut the bread.
I wonder what type of bread this is.
This is like sourdough. Okay, then Daria, I give you a knife, the butter knife for you. You can spread the mustard. Yes, I'll tell you when you have to put the butter.
Okay.
Later. Okay, honey? Daria.
Mustardy.
Okay, the next step, we have to put the turkey ham.
Turkey.
Okay. Just put it here. Okay, Daria, can you go and get the Edam cheese from the fridge for me? What is that? Boy.
At your subs, madam.
Okay, that was too energetic. Did you bring it?
Edam
Open.
Oh.
Okay, one
So we
big
have-
layer. Better we use this
Big
one, yeah.
Open.
Put it there. That's
One.
correct. Now we put the chicken. Now you put again the turkey ham. And now Daria, put another slice of cheese at the top.
I love cheese.
I know, you love it. Okay, this side of bread, we put it and then yes, push it down. And now we need to brush some butter at the top. I think it's enough. Okay, now the light is green, the grill is ready. Let's put it there.
With 100% public demand.
Delicious. Look at the cheese. It's melted so nicely. Look at this. Looks so nice.